Hi folks, this is Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Niche Blog Profits version 1, which launched on the 4th of April at 10 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review video, I'm going to go through this nice little product which gives you 8 pre-made blog sites that are already monetized and ready to go with built-in e-commerce stores. So if this sounds like something that's of interest to you, then stay with me, click on the button underneath, and you can have a look at the official Elite Tigers Group bonus page. What you'll see on here are some custom bonuses that I've put together that will help you to get the most out of this package here with Niche Blog Profits. One thing in particular, if you're put off from doing this because you don't currently have your own website, then don't worry, because we have got you covered in the bonuses. So I'll just say that right at the outset, in case someone's thinking this is not for me, it's too complicated, I can't do this. Well, we've got you covered. We're going to show you exactly what you need to do to get set up and running if you don't currently have your own WordPress site. Because these will need to be installed and hosted. All right, so what have we got here, folks? How would you like to have your own niche affiliate site empire with this amazing bundle of 8 done-for-you, niche-targeted affiliate niche sites ready to install and promote? So this is the sales page. And as you can see, they are very nice indeed, and they are in 8 of the absolute top niches. They come with built-in Amazon stores that are pre-loaded for you. You can, of course, add additional products as well, but if you're completely newbie and you don't know how to even set that up, then this is all done for you. You will have to apply for affiliate links to become an Amazon affiliate, but that's dead easy, and they will show you that inside the site. The other thing that you will need to be is a ClickBank affiliate. Again, that is dead easy. I would think most of you in the Elite Tigers Group are probably registered for ClickBank. If not, again, it's a very easy process to get set up and running. So you're getting a bundle of 8 unique, high-quality niche affiliate sites, all monetized with high-converting Amazon and ClickBank products in them. The niche research has been done. 8 hot niches have been picked. They're high-quality, custom-designed. You can easily add your Amazon and ClickBank affiliate info. You can easily personalize your sites. These come with PLR rights, so you have complete control over your sites using the WordPress admin dashboard. You can add your own header image if you want. You can change colors, fonts, borders. You can be as creative as you want. Your sites include a special software that will automatically create as many Amazon store ads as you want, automatically SEO'd, automatic content syndication, and as I've said, you can add Amazon products to the posts and pages, and I will show you again with one of my bonuses how to go about that. So obviously, I'll let you look at your leisure on the sales page, but these are the 8 pre-built sites that you've been getting, and don't forget you can alter their design if if you're creative and you think you can make these look even better. But they look pretty good to me. So you've got Football World. That's American football, folks. It's not soccer. You have got Woodworking World. You've got Florist Expert. You've got Fishing World, always a good niche, that. The old angling. Dog World, what can I say? Recipe World. Bike Repair World, very popular online. Beauty World, and Evergreen Niche. So each site is monetized with Amazon and ClickBank. What they're saying about why you should have both of these is that it gives you a combination of physical products from Amazon and digital products from ClickBank. So it's the best of both worlds, and I think that that's a pretty good policy. Each site comes with content and research packs, Amazon keyword research, Google keyword research, and YouTube keyword research. And again, it's just reiterating here really that everything is done for you. Now, again, sorry to keep repeating myself if you've listened to a lot of these videos, but I keep saying to the Elite Tigers group all year long that you need to diversify and get out of the make money online niche, yeah? These sites are absolutely perfect for that because they're in 8 evergreen niches, yeah? The problems that we have in the make money online niche at the moment, you well know what they are. They're concerning PayPal and also a very narrow market. There are probably about 10,000 people maximum that are active in the ad exchange, traffic exchange, make money online niche at any one time. Once you get into these niches, guys, yeah, you know, there are hundreds of thousands, if not millions, that are interested in these worlds. American football, you know, millions, yeah? Woodworking, I don't know too much about that niche, but there's loads, isn't there? Fishing, millions. Gardening, florists, millions. Dogs, millions. Recipes, millions. Bikes, millions, and beauty world, millions, you know? So it's not rocket science, is it, folks, yeah? If you want to make money, get yourself a bigger market, get yourself a bigger audience, and then you'll start seeing some results. So I think this is a really nice little product. I'm going to be giving it a 4.5 out of 5 rating. I'll tell you that now. It's going up on a dime sale basis. I'm a little bit late to the party with this one, so apologies for that. You could have got it for under a tenner yesterday, but $10.65 is the price currently. So get over there and get this quick because, as I said, it will continue to increase. Ignore that because that's a different video. I'll be in there with this video that I'm recording now when you actually see this page. So that's just a reiteration of the key points. Okay, so what am I going to give you if you click on the link underneath? Well, firstly, I'm going to show you how to build a WordPress site from scratch. Now, when I say I'm going to show you, you really wouldn't want to be showed by me with my technical skills, but I've got just the man. Jono Armstrong, who's a super affiliate, is probably the best explainer of techie stuff to non-techie people, which is why he's one of my, he doesn't like the word guru. He's one of my mentors, yeah? Because he shows you stuff that's really simple to copy and replicate, yeah? So he will show you how to do everything about getting this set up from scratch. So that will get you covered on sorting your website out. Now, the other thing that I recommend you do is build squeeze pages to send people to this site, yeah? So a squeeze page, if you don't already know, it's part of a funnel. So you give people an offer, you give them away something free to get them to visit your site. So if you were going to get them to go to your gardening site, you would get some sort of little PDF book or something connected to gardening that you would offer as a free gift to get them to go and visit your gardening site, yeah? Now, to do that, you need a squeeze page, which will also, by the way, collect their email information so that then you can keep emailing them offers in the gardening niche, all right? But you need to know how to do this if you don't already. And again, another very easy tutorial from Jono Armstrong will show you exactly how to do that in about 10 minutes, and it'll only cost you a £5, all right? The next tutorial, there's a lot of Jono Armstrong stuff on here today. It's just because he explains stuff very simply. When it's stuff that needs an amount of technical knowledge, I tend to refer to his videos because if I made them, they wouldn't be as good, you know? So what do they say? If it ain't broke, don't fix it. So why make a tutorial myself when I've got someone that I respect that can show you exactly how to do it? So this one, how to find hot selling items to sell on your e-commerce store. As I said, they come pre-built, but you will, after a period of time, you will want to keep updating them and putting new items. So this tutorial from Jono Armstrong will show you how to source easily hot niches and hot items to sell in your e-com store. The next one's how to get unique content for your pages. Again, you will, over a period of time, you'll want to refresh the content on your blogs, yeah, and edit the content. And again, it's Jono again with a 12-minute piece here on how to get content, instant content for free. And finally, something that isn't Jono, killer blogging conversion tips. Learn the secrets to increase your blog conversions with these proven tips. So I'm just throwing in this one because it's very relevant. So I hope you can see, folks, that these bonuses here will enhance your results with Niche Blog Profits. Having said that, do feel free to have a look at what other what other affiliates are offering with their version of Niche Blog Profits, because don't forget, you can always come back to this page, back to this YouTube video, when you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are way more useful and way more on message with the product than what anything else you'll get elsewhere. So to get these bonuses, all you have to do is click on any of these green buttons before this timer counts down to 0. I'm afraid when it does reach 0, they will have expired, and that would be a shame, as I said, because they give you everything that you need to get up and running. To get the bonuses, all you need to do is come into your Warrior Plus back office, click on the green button to access your copy of Niche Blog Profits, and then click on the blue button to access my bonuses. All that remains is for me to show you quickly the sales funnel of upsells. There's only one upsell. It's a package of 3 Amazon product review sites and Fasters on WordPress theme. I'm not quite sure what that is, but it's basically 3 additional Amazon product review sites, which is a pretty good thing to have, and that'll cost you $17. So have a serious look at that, folks. I think that's a good purchase to pick up as well. So it's a great one, folks. It's cheap. It's done for you. It's newbie friendly. What more do you want? Very nice indeed. Well set up. And you've got all the additional things. The only thing that we're missing really was the install info, and I've got you covered for that. So 4.5 out of 5. Enjoy it. Thanks as ever for watching and listening to this review video. This has been Dawud Islam of the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Niche Blog Profits version 1.